Hi everyone, I'm Slaya. Today I'll show you how to remove watermarks in Microsoft Word. I'll show you two different methods. If one doesn't work, you can try the other. If you're ready, let's get started. First, click on the Design tab above. Then click on Watermark on the right side. Click Remove Watermark from the window that opens. As you can see, the watermark has been removed. If this method didn't work for you, you can try method 2. Let's continue. Now double-click on the header of the page. Now right-click on the watermark and click on the Cut option. As you can see, we've successfully removed the watermark. I hope you found how to remove watermark in Microsoft Word tutorial helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.